Eugene Dugyot, happy birthday! Magpakabait ka na! Happy birthday, Eugene Ryan! Happy birthday to you! Asa na libre? Eugene, happy birthday! Alam mo, tatandaan ko yung sinabing secret sa akin. Hindi ko sasabihin kahit kanino yun. Para mag-iingat ka sa Amerika. Happy birthday!
Alam mo, Eugene, sobrang happy birthday naman sa'yo. Sana ay maligaya ka kay Irawan. Sana may ano kang cake, balloon, spaghetti, mga bisita mo, mga tape, mga gifts, mga clown. Happy birthday.
Hi, Eugene. Happy birthday. We have more birthdays to come. God bless you.
Hi, Eugene! Archie and I wish you the best of birthdays and have you all the health.
Dugyot! Birthday mo na, Dugyot ha. Happy birthday, Dugyot, kasi ang alam ko sa Dugyot, madumi, makulit, batang kali, yan ang mga Dugyot ko tawagin. Kaya hindi mo ako naniniwala ng Dugyot ka. Happy birthday. Sana malaminis ka na, Dugyot. At tigilan mo na kung ano mga kadugyotan na ginagawa mo sa buhay mo. Happy birthday. Yun lang, Dugyot.
Happy birthday. Ano ba pet ka? Happy birthday.
Hi Eugene, happy birthday. Wish you all the best, more success, and syempre, good health, and happy birthday ulit. And yun lang.
Hi Eugene, happy birthday. Ako 26 ka na, narinig ko eh. Tanda ka na. Ayun, sana more birthdays to have. Lagi ko mag-iingat. Good health. God bless you. Happy birthday. Not many people reach the age 94. Come back. I just wish all the best for life. And I pray and open heaven for you. And I pray blessings towards blessings. Happy birthday again.
Eugene, happy birthday. Naku, marami ako narinig good things about you. That you're such a good son, that you're a good brother, that you're a good person. Alam mo, magpapalain ka talaga. You just let me talaga. Kaya keep up the good work and happy birthday.
Hello Eugene, happy birthday. Ano kami happy. Ano naman, follow your heart, so happy birthday. Follow your
Happy birthday, Eugene! Kamusta? Nag-diet ka na ba? Exercise ka lagi at magsalita. Alam ko na, mga tinusin tayo
Hi Eugene! Umiingat ka sa rin mukha ko kane. And masyado ka pahaba. Haba ka lalo. Anyway, happy birthday!